Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Wednesday morning? Hump Day. It is the 20th day of February. The leaves are rustling in the background here on a breezy morning as we get ready for another storm system today that could bring some stronger storms into the state. I have the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. We'll see who could possibly see some severe storms maybe today. It's a complicated forecast for the next 4 to 6 days, but I'll break it down for you and give you a summary of what to expect. And I'm still worried particularly about that Saturday night storm system. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Here's today's setup. Interesting setup just out to the west of us today. You see where I've indicated that warm air sector in between the warm front and the cold front. That's where some of the storms could be strong, possibly severe today. And there's the setup at 12 noon. Again, that highlights much of southwest Alabama, southeast Mississippi, and that's where the Storm Prediction Center says some of the storms could be severe today. They've got the severe weather risk over west Alabama, maybe a brief tornado today, maybe some stronger storms with damaging wind gusts, and a slight risk over southeast Alabama. There's the squall line at 12 noon today, a line of strong thunderstorms coming into west Alabama, into southeast Mississippi, and at 3 p.m. the line is from about, let's say, Birmingham to Demopolis. We're going to be watching the radar carefully this afternoon because it's a juicy air mass. And at 6 p.m. tonight, still some stronger storms through central Alabama, in through southwest Alabama. So, stay weather aware today with showers and thunderstorms, even some locally heavy downpours well into the evening hours tonight. 72 the high today, 63 the low tonight. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, that front is still a player. It'll be parked somewhere in South Alabama with the threat of showers and thunderstorms along the front. And again, can't rule out a couple of stronger storms perhaps. Eventually, that front will be moving northward Friday, and as it does, the better rain chances, I think, Friday will be in North Alabama, but still some scattered storms here in South Alabama with a high around 80 Friday, maybe 81 Saturday. And that sets the stage for the strongest system. Look at that low near, let's say, western Illinois and the cold front along the Mississippi River Saturday at 6 p.m. with stronger storms coming into Alabama with a very juicy air mass. Many of the severe weather ingredients we need will be there. Saturday midnight, the front comes into northwest Alabama. There'll be a spin for directional shear for the possibility of tornadoes and also instability, the other environment thing we need. That's Cape. This is Saturday noon, showing the better instability coming in through Mississippi and into western Alabama, and there it is Saturday night at 6 p.m. So the ingredients are there, and maybe a severe weather setup. We'll see. Sunday morning at 6 a.m., the front is into Georgia and into around Apalachicola, Florida, with drier air coming in back behind it. We may get a little break in the action Monday. Right now, I have a 20% chance of rain in, but I may remove that. We'll see. So I've got 70% chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow with temperatures up to about 76. Near 80 on Friday with the risk of scattered showers and thunderstorms. 81 Saturday. Much of the day Saturday is dry, but showers and thunderstorms could be strong to severe perhaps Saturday night into Sunday morning. Sunday's high 72, and then maybe a little break in the action Monday. Highest rainfall totals are up north, but down in southeast Alabama, maybe half an inch to 1 inch. But you get from the I-85 corridor on northward, perhaps 2 to 4 inches, and 4 to 6 inches in North Alabama, and 5 to 7 inches by the time you get to Tennessee. Here's Sunday, March 3rd. Much colder air sneaking into Alabama, but will it be a sustained cold air mass? We don't know yet. We're watching it carefully, so stay tuned, winter weather fans. Right now, the GFS has the warmest days on Friday and Saturday in the low 80s, and then it shows that colder air coming in around Sunday, March 3rd, but it doesn't have a handle on how cold it's going to be yet. Severe weather awareness week continues in Alabama, and we've been mentioning you need at least 2 good ways of getting a severe weather warning. One, a weather radio, and also a good weather app, and we've got a good weather app. Get it on your phone or tablet today if you don't already have it. It has instant watches or warnings for wherever you are, even when you're out of town, because it knows where you are. It's great to have. And finally, here's one late arriving map that came out right at publication time. The Storm Prediction Center did. So I'll be getting some updates from the Storm Prediction Center as the morning rolls on. I will put that any new information in the comments section below. Stay weather aware over the next few days, including today. I'll be back with another update tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And in fact, we're live on TV this morning. Ryan Stinnett and I are talking weather on CBS 8 and ABC 32, the Alabama News Network at 5:50 a.m., and our panel of 7 at 6:40 a.m. on TV, and of course live on the radio 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Your forecast on the entire Blue Water family of stations, 8 radio stations, twice an hour, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning. Have a good day today.
Rich Thomas Weather.